This is the iPhone 5 unboxing in 2022. I bought this iPhone 5 from Apple as a refurbished because you can never get it from official Apple website as you can buy it as a newer. So you can only buy this iPhone as a refurbished. So I bought this iPhone under $60. So here I'm going to unbox it. So the first thing is SIM injector and the paper of how to use it and some information is with these papers. So here is iPhone 5. As you can see, I bought it as a refurbished, but this iPhone 5 look like brand new. As you can see, there is no any scratch on it, and this iPhone comes with a headphone jack, which is original headphone from Apple, and the 5 watts of charger, which is also original from Apple, and the lightning cables. So it comes with everything you need to start using this iPhone 5s. In terms of design of this iPhone, I think it is among the best design iPhone from Apple, because this iPhone look like a design of iPhone 12 and iPhone 13. So guys, what do you think about this iPhone? Will you buy it and use it in 2022? Which is this iPhone, I think it is over 9 years older. So this iPhone comes with iOS 12, and I test the camera of it. I shoot a photo. As you can see, the photo of this iPhone 5 look great, and the video also it is good, and the battery of this iPhone also is a good one. So guys, in terms of performance, it is an excellent job. I never face any performance issues with this older iPhone and the cheapest iPhone. Guys, what do you think? Can you buy it in 2022? Let me know. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.